1, build. Okay, we're up there and they're going to clean fit into the gearbox. That's one of the harder parts to get, and with the back end going on straight away. Every nut and bolt must be tightened. There's a referee here watching this. Very important build here. This is a 3 builds and it's very important consequences on their time for the All-Ireland final. This is the last 3 builds of the B League, which has taken place over the last couple of months. 4 teams involved in the teams you see here: South Roscommon, Slow, and 2 teams from County Cavan, the Foxy Spanners and the Bog Mechanics. Okay, we're looking very fast here already. We've got the lift assembly on, we've got one bumper housing on and the other one going on to the hard shafts on the back. The event is sponsored by Irish PTC magazine, who have a stand here over this side at the back of the build area. And we have 2 leagues, an A League and a B League. This is the B League. And the A League All-Ireland final will take place in Cavan, in the Equestrian Centre in Cavan, on the 9th of October. Okay, we're 1 minute 15 seconds, and we've got a lot of stuff going on here already, and we're going on at the front. Final few nuts and bolts around the gearbox have been tightened, and final few bolts have been tightened around the lift, the back end as well. The referee will check everything when it's finished. All nuts and bolts must be tightened. 5-second penalty for anything that's loose, and 10-second penalty for anything that's missing. Manager must start and the lift must go up or they'll be disqualified. You can see the manager going around as well, keeping an eye on them. There we have one of them putting on the steering is going on. Half shaft going in here at the back as well. This is a good time here. We're at 2 minutes and 5 seconds, lads. You're doing very well here. 4 lads in the team are Edward, Paddy, Stephen and Joe, all based in the South Roscommon Vintage Club. Come on, give them a bit of appreciation here. Come on, lads, come on. They must be sure everything's tightened. The manager is telling them that. Tighten everything, 1 little squeeze extra is all it needs. All the water and all the ice must go back into the vehicle as well.
Come on, boys, come on.
The fuel tank is on, the radiator is on. Tighten the brake assembly on both sides.
Come on.
The last 50 teams that are sponsored in the event a few years ago were given 22 minutes to between 22 and 25 minutes. This was taken 4 years ago. And we're down under 7 minutes now for most builds.
Come on, come on. Come on, boys, come on.
Come on, lads, keep it up. You're doing 325, 325. Come on, lads. Here we have the water filler. Goes in itself. Air breather is on as well. Come on, lads, come on, keep it going. 3 minutes 42. We're doing brilliant here. Nothing has gone wrong for them. Everything seems to have fallen into place so far. It looks very good here.
Come on, boys, come on.
Our fastest time of the week here is 6:55. Or 6:54, sorry, 6:54. As you can see, each one has their own corner, their own section of the track to work on.
Come on, step it up now, lads. Come on.
Come on, lads, keep it up.
Keep the pressure on, lads. Come on.
You can see all these practices, all the rules and regulations, all the teams are involved on a website called Ferguson20build.com.
4 minutes, come on, lads.
Come on, lads. 4 minutes, Josie. Keep it up there. Come on.
Come on, no late, man. Come on.
All the little pins, split pins and everything must go back in there. These people in there on the brake connecting rods. With the battery in there as well. Battery must be connected tight to the window.
Come on, get back up the minutes. Come on. Come on, boys, come on. Come on. Come on, boys, come on.
First here, 5 minutes.